Hey everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making French toast. Now, I actually use the brioche bread, but since we don't have that, I'm using the Texas toast. And the reason why I'm using that because that bread is thicker, and if it can hold the not juices, but the mixture a little bit better. So that's why I got that thicker. So these are the ingredients. I have my light brown sugar. I have syrup that I'm gonna put on it. I have vanilla extract that I'm gonna put in the mixture. I got my 2 eggs. That's my milk inside of that little measuring cup. I think that's like 1/3. Yeah, 1/3 cup. And I also have my confection sugar that I'm gonna pour on French toast when I get done. And I have my little bit of butter to fry it up. Okay, now to a bowl, I'm going to be adding my 2 eggs, my milk, and also my brown sugar. And I forgot to show y'all, I actually have ground cinnamon, yeah. So there, that's about 2 teaspoons of my ground cinnamon. The brown sugar is about 2 teaspoons as well. And I also will be adding, I forgot to show y'all, but it's turbinado sugar. It's like white sugar, but it's just a healthier version. So add you about 2 teaspoons of that and about 2 cupfuls of vanilla extract. Okay, so once I add everything, the 2 eggs, the milk, the cinnamon, the brown sugar, and the turbinado sugar, and also your vanilla extract, I pretty much got everything. So I'm just gonna pretty much just mix it all around. Just mix it around with it's preferably if you use a whisk to mix it all together like I'm using. I didn't have a smaller one, y'all. But yeah, it still did the job. So yeah, just have your whisk and mix it all together. Alright, so now that we have everything whisked up, we're pretty much going to move it and take it over to the stove and fry it up. So inside of my small pan, I'm going to be putting some butter. You see how I didn't want to come off the tongue? Yeah, but yeah, just put you some butter, a little bit butter on the pan and rub it around so it can coat the pan. Alright, so now while the butter is pretty much getting sizzled up, you can go ahead and dip your bread like how I'm doing inside the mixture. And you want to coat both sides. You don't have to do it too long because you don't want your bread too soggy, but just, for a few seconds and then flip it over to the other side so you can coat the other side. Leave it in there for about a few seconds, then take it right out and then just go ahead and put it into your pot with the butter. And it takes about like a minute or two on the first side, and on the second side it probably takes about 30 seconds to a minute. You don't want to burn it, so just make sure you keep an eye on it. You pretty much want to repeat the steps with each French toast, with each bread, and just do the same thing. Just coat both sides, and just go ahead and pretty much fry it up. Alright, so now that all the French toast have been done cooking, so I pretty much plated it on a plate, and I'm trying to garnish it, y'all. Trying to make it look pretty with pops of color. So I put some little cilantro on it, for pops of color. And I'm gonna pretty much, sprinkle it off with the confectioner sugar, aka powdered sugar. You're supposed to use I think a sifter or something, but my hand gonna do the job. So yeah, it's pretty much putting it on there and ta-da! Don't look pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that alongside of some chicken that I also made. And yeah, I know y'all heard of chicken and waffles. Well, this is chicken and French toast, y'all. Yeah, it was tasting so good. I had to taste it. It was tasting too good. So yeah, go ahead and try this recipe. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a blessed day.